Hi guys, Scott McFarlane here from Again Real Estate and welcome to 5 Mellors Ave in O'Halloran Hill. I've got an absolutely special property for you. This one has been renovated top to bottom over the last 10 years and is absolutely stunning. It's going to be perfect for the first home buyers or young families or the people that love entertaining. Everything is done, beautiful skylights, gorgeous lighting. There's not a detail that hasn't been covered over the last 10 years. So why don't we go inside and check out all the beautiful features. So there you have it. This home has been stunningly renovated over the last 10 years and it's so unusual to find the 2 bathrooms with the beautiful ensuite and of course the beautiful lighting throughout, especially with the skylights installed in these beautiful back rooms. You've got a great backyard, awesome deck area, gorgeous patio, and the shed is perfect for that home gym or extra space. It's a beautiful location here in O'Halloran Hill, close to everything, and your family is absolutely going to love it. My name's Scott McFarlane from Again Real Estate. Can't wait to see you at an open soon.